Right?
You know what would help?
What's that?
You put on one of your videos in the background.
Yeah, sure. There you go. So what's up, guys? We're here putting the gas struts on the X3. Got some MuddinForPart numbers in the background here. This is back in my garage. So we already got the one installed. And I'll tell you what, she's beauty. You got it there, Larry?
Yep.
Check this out. Ready? No hands.
No hands at all.
No hands. I will say, this is a good little safety for, I've had it a couple times where the doors don't latch, and I've been worried about taking it off on a tree, rock, trailer, anything like that. It's a good little safety to have, because now if the door isn't latched, she's open. And it's cheap and simple to do. So we'll bring you in here.
Let's take a look at her.
And we'll show you.
This is the one we were snorkeling up the other day.
So this right here,
She looks good.
gas shock, doesn't really matter what it is. 20, 30 pounds. I don't even know what this one is. I just got it at the local Canadian Tire. Riveted with a bracket up here. I'll put the brackets in the description below. Pick them up on Amazon. And drilled a hole down there for the bottom. Yeah, there's your bracket. That goes on your door. And here is your stud that goes through the frame there. So you do need to pay attention when you are closing it. If you want to show this, Larry, or point it out, I don't care. Just a clearance of that. The clearance.
Yeah, down right in here. Because that's pretty tight.
Yeah.
As you can see, we had a dummy hole that we tried.
Yes.
Which
yeah.
hit on this bracket here.
Yeah. So that was a failure hole.
But yeah, as it closes, I don't know if you could get in there and see it, but...
Yeah, here, we'll try and get in like this. Oh, yeah.
So it's a pretty tight fit down in there.
Yeah. And it just clears. So if you take your time, don't just go drilling all willy-nilly like I did.
And break a couple drill bits.
And break a drill bit. So the way that I figured out where to put it is I had the door closed. Actually, you know what? We'll just go to the other side.
Yeah, we'll flash it out.
Yeah, so let's go over there. So, for laying out your holes, since we've already drilled it in the wrong spot once, the best way that I've found so far is take your gas shock and place it in here while the door is actually closed all the way. Yeah.
We're going to lube that up soon.
Yeah. So if you place it in here while the door is actually closed, you can actually see, I don't know how well you can see that, you can see how much clearance you do have. So we're going to we're going to make it centered, ultimately. I think that's what I did on the other side there.
I think it was a little off-center towards the cabin. Yeah, like just right about there,
okay.
yeah.
So at that point we know, got a pencil somewhere, it's over there, that's fine. Stick a drill bit. So if we're a little off-center and we're center there, we're probably going to be right around there. So, it's a very accurate measuring device that I have here, which is just, you know, you look at it and you go, yeah, that's about where it needs to be. So,
Your own two eyes.
So it's not, let's not overcomplicate it, right?
Not rocket science, but there is some flaws. Like we did, you know, we had to drill one hole to find out that
Yes.
you can't go that close.
Yeah.
We're saving you the hassle of finding that out on yourself. So
Yep, exactly.
we already made the mistake.
So, but I started on the passenger side, so that's a hole I won't need to see all the time.
Yeah.
So that's the way to do it now. That was right there. Again, it's all about that precision, right? Center punch that.
Walking around on you?
Yeah, she's walking on me. Where is that center punch, Larry?
I put it right there on the
Right
bench.
there, perfect.
And where you put the hammer is up to you.
Hammer. started. Bad. So the key point here is to not break the drill bit.
Hope we got extras.
Hopefully Jake's watching this video.
Another key point is to have sharp drill bits. Like I said, sharp drill bits.
2,000 years later.
3,000 years later, and we're through.
Well, you gotta remember, I don't have the silicone on here.
The silicone loop.
Yep.
That's the problem right there.
So without the silicone, it doesn't drill as quick. So you're gonna have to get some. And I'm all out of silicone right now.
I should have brought mine.
Story of my life.
I learned. I brought extra home.
Silicone's like Frank's Red Hot.
I put that on everything.
Put that shit on everything. Okay. Then you got your little,
Let me come back over here for a second.
yeah, your little ball head there. So again, on Amazon, I'll put the link in the description. Comes with a nut, and the washer didn't come with a washer, but I'll put the links for those as well. It's just stainless steel washer.
Any hardware store will have them.
Yep. Exactly. So we pop her on here. And
Drop
we
everything.
drop the washer.
Who needs a washer?
Yeah, yeah, who knows where it went. We'll go get another one. I got enough of them.
I could see that SpongeBob SquarePants cutscene coming in very often.
Yeah, exactly.
3 years later.
One eternity later. Alright. It's a little tight in here for getting the washer and the nut on, but
Totally worth it at the end of the day.
exactly. That's how we'll do it. You stay there, hold it like that, and we go underneath. That's better. And then tighten her down.
And we're almost done. It's so easy.
Yeah, it's actually
so
super easy. So let's I don't know, let's just fast forward to the point where we're putting the other bracket on. Whoa! Gotta put the sound effect in there.
Yeah.
Bree loves it. Hey, in the last video she heard that sound effect and she just died laughing. So anyway, we're gonna pop it on now. So that's a hole that you just saw us drill. This pops on. It's just a friction, or not a friction, snap on there. And to figure out your distance.
It's not a firm co, Brian.
No, not a vertical. So to figure out your distance, just open up your door all the way. Take your mounting bracket. You do need to kind of angle it up a little bit to clear this support of the door.
Well, not that excess, but
No,
you
no.
do need to go a little bit.
Yeah, so I think we're about there, and we're about there. So again, very, very precise. Get out your micrometer and
Wow.
make sure you measure properly.
Or bring someone else along because I can tell you right now that that is way off.
Yeah, we were.
It's about a 45. Yeah, yep, right about there.
Yeah.
Because you were able to get the drill on the top ones, so
Yes, true.
you want to be able to make sure because you don't have to pull the door back too far or anything stupid.
So yeah.
So if you look at the other side over here, there it is.
Center punch.
We're gonna go with. Hopefully Brian's got a good eye.
Oh Jesus! Fingers. She's slippery. So again, we're both there.
We're gonna take a second look here.
No.
Bring it up a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, it
No,
was-
down a little bit. Right about there. Yeah.
That looks good. I like it.
Did you move it?
I moved
Do you want to hold it?
Yeah, we need another. Actually, you know what? Why don't we just make our lives easier? Let's just mark it with a pencil like we did that side.
Fair enough.
Let's stop trying to make everything all complicated here. Since we got this fancy dancy marking device here.
Yeah, when did they come up with pencils? A very, very long time ago.
Yeah, exactly.
For a reason.
Here we are trying to fucking...
Why don't you click it in there first?
I was debating it. Probably should, eh?
Can you click it in there?
Make it easier.
It's not too tough.
And then it holds it. Holds it as well. Come on.
They are pretty tough to get in when you're in your hands like that. There we go.
And
Pivot it. Bring it down a little bit. Look there. Yep.
yeah. There you go. So pop it in, mark it with a pencil. Makes your life easier.
Then you can let it hang there.
Yep.
Push it out of the way.
Now I can put my center hole in. Center punch for the hole. Important, otherwise your drill bit starts drifting.
Because it's a round pipe.
Round pipe, round drill bit, everything's round. Go from there. So one nice thing about this too, steel's nice and thin, it's easy to drill. I had a rivet. Pop rivet in my pocket, not anymore apparently. Let's see.
You guys counting deer again?
No, that was me.
Oh, it was you?
Yeah.
It sounded like your dad.
Yeah. I know. I saw deers and I'm like, it's just, you know what? It's just ingrained in me now, I guess. When I see deer, I need to point it out to people.
I know. It's just like when you see a hawk in a tree when you're on the highway. It's like, oh my god, look, a bird. Oh, did I tell you that the guy that works for us, Spencer, he was driving home. Or no, not driving home. He went to the Timmy's or something on his lunch or whatever.
Yeah.
On his way back to the shop, he was driving in the passing lane on the highway.
Yeah.
A turkey was in the slow lane.
Yeah.
So the turkey's like, you know, he said it was up there a little ways. So he's doing like 85 or whatever in the passing lane.
Yeah.
The turkey starts hopping. And then it starts flying, flies right in front of his truck, and smashes right into his windshield.
Yeah.
Blasts off, takes off in flight, breaks the kid's windshield on his truck.
No shit.
Has to get a whole new windshield. Yeah, I got pictures. It was brutal. I didn't believe him. I'm like, no way. He's like, dude, I swear to God, I just hit a turkey on the highway and it broke my windshield. I'm like, I can't believe it actually broke the windshield. Like,
Yeah.
you're lucky it didn't hit the fender or light
They're
or something.
heavy though, right?
He said it was a big turkey.
Yeah.
But yeah, I thought it was pretty funny.
So, test. Look at that. Larry, we got it on the first try this time.
Damn right. And you got your clearance, all that. Look at that. See,
Yep.
I told you it was just a touch off the center.
Yep.
Just a touch over to the left.
Now for the fun part.
Yeah, here.
Drilling the tops.
Yeah, you want to keep her down a little bit too, right? I remember the last time I was supposed to be drilling.
Yeah.
Somebody almost got hurt.
Yeah, that was a fun day.
Yeah.
Not. Almost took a drill bit through the neck.
I don't know how that happened, man.
Yeah, fun times.
Thank God for polo shirts.
Yeah, exactly.
If that MuddinForPart number shirt wasn't on, we would have had some problems. Might have saved your life. Oh yeah, this is a great shot. Oh yeah, look at that plaid.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's just fast forward. Yeah, woo! So, we got her done. Couple of the 3 pop rivets in there. Bolt on the bottom. Gas shock is in. Like I said, just kind of note your clearance and everything there. You do need to make it fairly tight, but you also need enough room for that to articulate, because you can see that it spins there.
It's pretty tight. The other side's tighter.
Yes, the other side is tighter.
We planned it out a little bit better this time.
Yeah.
Our eyes were a little bit more straight.
And as you close it, you got to make sure that you clear your inner pieces there too. And now she latches nice. Pull the strap. She opens up nice.
Do her one more time there. Get a nice.
So that's.
You gotta really lube that up.
I know. That's what happens. They get dirty in there. Yeah, we gotta put some silicone on it. Silicone lube. Silicone lube.
There you go. I got lots of that.
So, bopper, boom.
Beautiful.
That's her. So now, like I said, it's pretty simple to do. Just need a hand rivet, a couple drill bits, simple tools. I mean, really, everything you see on the roof here is what we used to put it in.
And it literally took only about 20 minutes once we knew what we were doing.
Yep. So now, when you're in the machine and you're in an off-camber situation or anything like that, it's really nice. You just pop her, boom.
So when you're on an angle like this,
yeah,
the door will just open up, not close on you.
So instead of, always fighting the door. So, simple upgrade. Didn't really need to get into all the particulars of the instructions. It's pretty simple. I'll put all the links for the stuff on Amazon in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And thanks for checking out the channel. I'll see you in the next one.
We're doing Lambo doors next. Where's Larry?
Where's Larry?
Let's see what comes up.
Impractical jokers. You're going to have 10 pages or 20 pages of YouTube videos by the time you find that one. And also here we have an organized toolbox where you can actually find things.
We're going to have to blurt out the TV screen in the background.
Yeah. Yeah.
Copyright infringement. Oh, wait. I want to get that on video.
Yeah. Film the video.
Hey, look at this. Check this out. This guy really messes up. Wait, cover up that Dune TV logo.
Yeah.
How's your plan coming out so far? Did you mark your hole?
Pardon?
Did you mark your hole? You gonna be able to find that hole on the other side?
Oh yeah.
You just gonna drill wherever feels comfortable?
Yeah, exactly.
Hopefully it works out.
Yeah, I'm not making it too complicated, right?
Oh, you can't make things too complicated because then it's no fun.
Exactly.
Then you get all stressed out and panicked and.
I mean, it's not bad. Just putting extra holes in the machine.
Yeah,
Because it was just holding the door.
Yeah, it's not structural.
Yeah.
It's nothing too important.
I just want more drainage, right?
More places for mud to get stuck.